weight of centuries he leans upon his soul and gazes on the ground. The emptiness of ages in his face, and on his back, the burden of the world. Remaining dead to rapture and despair, a thing that grieves not and that never hopes. Solid as sun, a brother to the ox, who loosened and let down his brutal jaw, whose was the hand that slanted back his brow, whose breath blew out the life within his brain, within his brain, within his brain.
Is this the thing that Lord God made and gave?
To have dominion over sea and land, to trace the stars and search the heavens for powers, to feel the passion of eternity. Is this the dream he dreamed? To shape the suns and mark the race upon the ancient deep, down all the birds of hell to their last gulf. There is no shape more terrible than this, more tongue with pride against the world's blind greed, more filled with signs and portents for the soul, more packed with dangers to the universe. Make gravity more than famous, prodigious wrongs, impeccable boosts. O masters, lords, and rulers in our lands, how will the future reckon with this man? How answer his rude question in that hour, when whirlwinds of rebellion shake all shores? How will it be with kingdoms and with kings, with those who shape him to the thing he is? When freedom terror shall rise to judge the world, after the silence of the centuries.